morning and welcome. You're watching the CommexFX Daily Outlook for Friday, October 10th. The euro declined 0.38% against the US dollar and closed at 1.2684. The ECB Chief Mario Draghi stated that he expects bank lending in the Eurozone to pick up pace early next year and assured that the central bank would successfully boost inflation levels from its ultra-low levels. Meanwhile, the ECB in its monthly report indicated that the new measures would support specific market segments and would play a key role in the financing of the economy. In the US, initial jobless claims unexpectedly fell to 287.0k in the week ended October the 4th, lower than market expectations of a rise to a level of 294.0k, and compared to a revised level of 288.0k, registered the prior week. Separately, the Fed's Vice Chairman Stanley Fischer mentioned that the central bank has identified areas of concern regarding economic stability and that the Fed was evaluating the strength in the greenback in the context of a overall effect on demand for the goods and services produced by the nation. The pair is expected to find support at 1.2642 and a fall-through could take it to the next support level of 1.2589. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.2770 and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.2845. Amid lack of major economic releases from the Eurozone today, investor sentiment would be governed by global events macroeconomic news. The British pound fell 0.27% against the US dollar and closed at 1.6118. Yesterday, the Bank of England, in a widely expected move, kept its interest rates on hold at a record low of 0.5%, citing low inflation. The pair is expected to find support at 1.6071 and a fall-through could take it to the next support level of 1.6026. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.6195 and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.6274. Going forward, investors look ahead to the UK's trade balance data, scheduled in a few hours. The US dollar weakened 0.23% against the Japanese yen and closed at 107.91. In economic news, Japan's machine tool orders rose 34.8% on an annual basis in September, after advancing 35.5% in the prior month. The Bank of Japan in its latest minutes revealed that the policymakers agreed to keep its interest rates at 0.1%. Overnight data indicated that the tertiary industry index in Japan unexpectedly dropped 0.1% on a monthly basis in August, lower than market expectations for a rise of 0.1%, and compared to a revised drop of 0.3% recorded in July. The pair is expected to find support at 107.55, and a fall-through could take it to the next support level of 107.20. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 108.22, and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 108.55. Trading trends in the yen today will be determined by Japan's consumer confidence data, set for release in a few hours. The US dollar rose 0.27% against the Swiss franc and closed at 0.9546. Yesterday, the SNB Vice Chairman Jean-Pierre Danthien emphasized that the central bank's policy of maintaining cap on the Swiss franc was essentially for the right monetary conditions and stable prices in the nation. The pair is expected to find support at 0.9487 and a fall-through could take it to the next support level of 0.9433. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 0.9578 and a rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 0.9615. Amid lack of economic releases from Switzerland today, investor sentiment would be governed by global macroeconomic news. That was it for today. Make sure you check out our new affiliate program. As an IB, you'll not only be maximizing your growth potential, but you'll also enhance your client network. The CommexFX Introducing Broker program is one of the most rewarding in the Forex industry. Stay in the know by liking us on Facebook, following us on Twitter and Instagram, circling us on Google+, and of course, subscribing to our YouTube channel. Have a great trading day.